Usually it does. So we think about it as a disease that increases with age. Because it's this overuse arthritis, it's about how many miles you've put on your joints. However, we meet a lot of young patients in orthopedics that need hip and knee surgeries. And young patients can get arthritis usually due to the shape of their joints. So the way that they were born, maybe the shape of their bones or the shape of their hips make them more at risk for arthritis. And these patients still tend to have put a lot of miles on their joints. So the shape of your bones and the shape of your joints can increase your risk of arthritis. And then, it's about how much you use them as well.
Yeah, and indeed, so Beverly Weber, who I interviewed and who will be posting that video, she had a hip replacement in her 40s, and I think that's certainly something that is not that uncommon, and I believe is even on the rise.
Yeah, we're seeing younger and younger patients as hip surgeries and knee surgeries become safer and the implants get better. We will continue, I think, to see younger and younger patients seeking relief of their pain.